It's harvest day. Good morning, Swaddy Cap. Oh, Cap. So harvest day is upon us. I think we have about somewhere between 40 and 70 workers here today. Not sure how many.
Yeah, I'll get it. Like I said, I gotta get the shoes on for that.
Harvesting day. Randy, you singing this?
Yeah, I'm still here, but
Are you singing it? I think you're missing all of it. What do you got? So what they do here is they put a number on these trees, Randy. I don't know if you can see it or not. The number's on the tree. And this is the team. This is team 8. So they randomly select numbers out of a hat, and that picks which tree you get. This is number, I don't know what it says, but basically it's luck of the draw as to which trees you get, because some trees have more longer than others, and these workers are paid by the tree. That's how they get paid. Randy, Randy's trying to reconnect. Randy's gone. Let's go this way. So this will probably take 3 to 5 days to pick all the longan. It could be a little longer because they're putting most of the longan in baskets to sell versus picking and tumbling and packaging it by the box, or by the sack rather. Let's see it, Noy? Let's walk down this way. Sometimes they're concerned about bats and they'll put up nets to catch the bats. I'm pretty much against that, but that's what they'll do sometimes to keep them from eating the longan. But how much could they eat really, right? Not that many. Swaddy Cap? Ah. So she's picking individual longan versus picking it by the bunch like you'd see with the grapes. But these white baskets normally take around 22 kg. The sacks are normally around 43 kg. So you see, this lady is doing it by the batch. Swaddy Cap, how are you? So these people from, you're from Cambodia? Cambodia? Ah, Cap. So these pickers have come from Cambodia. Oh. So you can see, we have a few pickers here today, picking. Swaddy Cap? Are you Cambodia? Cap.
Cambodia.
Nice. Hello. So you can see. Phật Lan. There's Noon's brother. So you got more? Hello, foreigner. Mong, what are we doing this morning? Oh, where's Noon? Oh, Noon? Oh, there she is. I see a baby. Noon has a baby over here. Uh-huh. Got the baby. We got the baby.
So they give for free.
How much? Free?
Yeah.
Free?
ขอได้ไหม ขอได้
See,
ไหม
they're Cambodian.
Yeah.
They can't speak English. Hello. Hello.
Randy, we have a new baby after we sold the longest and we get
Yeah, we
this
get,
one for free.
get one free baby. We're selling the longer, it looks like. That's good. Swanee Cop, how are you? You good? Ask her how her Cambodia is, Hey, here's a dog. Hey, dog.
ประเด็นนี้นะนิงไปดูแปลงนั้นเร็วๆแปลงส่ง